Small car, big attitude. The 2026 Ford Fiesta ST is back and better than ever. It's quick, clever, and just plain fun to drive. Whether you're tearing through twisties or daily driving, this little hatch brings the heat. Welcome to Next Gen Reviews, and today we're checking out Ford's latest hot hatch hero. Design. The Fiesta ST keeps its sharp, aggressive styling, lower stance, bold grille, and ST-specific wheels that scream performance. For 2026, new LED lighting and updated aero tweaks give it a cleaner, more modern edge, without losing its sporty attitude. Inside, it's snug but well-appointed, with Recaro-style seats, red stitching, and a quality finish that punches above its price. Performance. Under the hood, the 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder returns, now pushing 215 horsepower with better low-end torque. It's lively, quick, and incredibly responsive, especially paired with the slick 6-speed manual. The chassis is tight, steering is direct, and the handling is razor-sharp. It's the kind of car that makes a grocery run feel like a mini rally stage. Features and technology. Tech-wise, the 2026 Fiesta ST is well-equipped. Ford's ANC4 infotainment system comes on a crisp touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus available digital gauges and launch control for that serious driving vibe. You also get lane assist, adaptive cruise, and improved driver modes to tailor the experience. Conclusion. The 2026 Ford Fiesta ST keeps the spirit alive, compact, quick, and packed with personality. It's proof that fun doesn't have to break the bank. Would you daily this hot hatch? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more honest, fun car content every week.